So, good morning class. So, andito na naman tayo para sa new topic natin, Operations on Function. This is Sir Christian Julian for your math review. Lesson's objective. At the end of the lesson, the student must be able to find the sum of function, determine the difference between function, identify the product of function, and find the quotient between the function. Addition of function. Let f and g be any two functions. The sum f plus g is a function whose domain are the set of all real numbers common to the domain of f and g and defined as follows. The quantity of f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Okay? Let's have an example in addition of functions. Find the quantity of f plus g of x given f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 and your g of x is equal to 5x plus 5. So f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. So anong gagawin natin dito? Just input or substitute the value of f of x 3x minus 2 ilalagay natin dito and 5x plus 5 dito naman sa g of x. So, f plus g of x is equal to 3x minus 2 kasi yan yung f of x natin. Plus the quantity of 5x plus 5, kailangan maglagay tayo ng quantity kasi isang function lang yan. So, yan yung g of x natin. So, bakit tayo maglalagay ng parenthesis? Okay, kasi group siya. Kasi nga, dun sa ibang operation, baka magbabago yung sign nila. So, dito kasi, papakita ko kung bakit hindi siya magbabago. Okay. So, f plus g of x is equal to 3x minus 2 plus 5x plus 5. Sir, bakit nawala yung parenthesis niya? So, ganito ang ginawa natin. So, positive times positive 5x is equal to positive 5x. Tama? Next, positive times positive 5 is equal to positive 5. Kaya naging 5x plus 5. We use the distributive property over addition. Excuse me. Next, so, ano nang gagawin natin? Paano natin nakuha yung 8x plus 3? So, we combine like terms. So, inad natin yung 3x plus yung 5x. So, 3x plus 5x is equal to 8x. Next, negative 2 plus 5 equal to positive 3. So, that is our answer. So, naintindihan ba? Okay, very good. Okay, let's have another example. Given f of x is equal to 3x plus 5 and h of x is equal to x squared plus 10x minus 25. Let's find for the quantity of f plus h of x. So, the quantity of f plus h of x is equal to f of x plus h of x. So, next, ang gagawin natin, isa-substitute lang natin yung value ng function na f of x saka h of x. So, operation na addition. So, kung makikita nyo, ito yung 3x plus 5 natin na f of x. So, ito na yon, 3x plus 5. Just substitute. Then, yung h of x naman natin, x squared plus 10x minus 25. Ito na rin yon. Okay, nakaparenthesis siya kasi isang function yan, nasa isang group. At yung operation natin, ito yon, addition. Okay. F of x plus h of x equal to 3x plus 5 plus x squared plus 10x minus 25. So dito class, gagamitin muna natin yung distributive property over addition or subtraction para matanggal natin yung groupings. Kasi nga, sabi ko, baka mamaya, dun tayo sa subtraction of function, bakit nag-iiba yung sign nila? Bakit dito sa addition of function, hindi nag-iiba? Baka malito kayo. So, gagawin na natin. So, magdi-distribute tayo. So, positive times x squared is equal to positive x squared. Next, positive times positive 10x magiging positive 10x. Next, positive times negative 25, that is negative 25. So, sabi ko nga, hindi nagbago yung sign nila kasi addition yung ginamit natin. So, pero ang sign natin is positive. So, baka mamaya sa subtraction of function, makikita nyo mag-iiba yung sign niya. So, una pa lang, alam nyo na kung paano gawin ito. So, next, pagkatapos natin nakuha yung 3x plus 5 plus x squared plus 10x minus 25, anong gagawin natin? So, ibig sabihin, i-combine na natin yung mga magkakaparehas. So, ang sagot natin ay x squared plus 13x minus 20. Sir, bakit hindi natin pinas yung x squared tsaka yung 3x plus yung 10? So, itong x squared kasi class, hindi sila parehas dito. Hindi siya parehas sa 3x at saka hindi rin siya parehas dito sa 10x. Hindi porket may x silang tatlo, magkakaparehas na sila. Itong si x squared, ibig sabihin, meron pa siyang exponent. Dito kasi kay 3x, wala na siyang exponent. Ang kasama lang nitong 3x is yung 10x natin. So, ibig sabihin, dahil wala kang i-combine dito sa x squared natin, kokopyahin mo na lang siya. Kaya x squared. Then, yung 3x natin, parehas sila nung 10x natin. So, 3x plus 10x magiging 13x. Then, 5 minus 25, that is negative 20. So, nakuha ba? Okay, very good. So, yun nga. More example ulit tayo para mas maintindihan. So, another example given. Z of t is equal to 2t plus 2 all over 5. And y of t is equal to t plus 1. So, let's find for z plus y of t. So, magiging z plus y of t is equal to zt plus y of t. So, ganun pa din yung gagawin natin, class. Isa-substitute lang natin yung value ng z of t natin, tsaka yung y of t, para maging ganito. So, z of t plus y of t is equal to 2t plus 2 all over 5 plus the quantity of t plus 1. So, may problema ba tayo dito? O, kung meron kayo nakikitang problema, okay, yun yung sasagutin natin. Gaya ng paano natin gagawin i-add yan, sir? Naka-fraction yung z of t natin. Anong gagawin natin? Class, para lang tayong nagsosolve ng fraction. So, parang gagawin lang nating fraction yung t plus 1 natin. Parang ganito. So, z of zt plus 2 all over 5 plus the quantity of t plus 1. So, yung t plus 1 natin, kailangan lang natin siyang gawing fraction. Pero hindi mababago. Kunwari, yung 5 mo, gawin natin siyang fraction. So, yung 5 magiging 5/1. Kasi 5/1 is equal to 5. So, walang nagbago. The same pa rin yung value niya. So, ang gagawin natin dito, yung t plus 1 natin, mag-over 1 lang tayo para hindi siya magbago. So, magiging ganito. So, 2t plus 2 all over 5 plus t plus 1 all over 1. So, naka-fraction na siya. So, hindi na tayo mahihirapan i-combine itong dalawang fraction natin. So, paano ba mag-add ng improper fraction? So, kung makikita nyo, ang denominator ng z of t natin, ito yon is 5. At ang denominator naman ng y of t natin is 1. So, kailangan parehas sila. So, get the LCD. So, what is LCD? The least common denominator. So, yun yung isang process para makuha natin or mag-combine yung dalawang fraction. Pero ang gagawin ko mas madali. So, tignan natin kung paano. So, ganito nga. So, una, yung 2t plus 2, imumultiply lang natin sa 1. So, kumbaga mangyayari, 1 times 2t plus 2. Then, yung 5 naman, imumultiply natin sa t plus 1. So, ito ang magkasama. So, parang 5 times t plus 1. So, wag natin kakalimutan yung operation natin na addition. Ilalagay pa rin natin yan. And then, last, kailangan din natin i-multiply yung denominator natin, yung 5 times 1. So, ganito ang mangyayari. So, 1 plus, times 2t plus 2. Then, yung operation natin na plus, kailangan hindi pa rin magbabago. Ito. Then, 5 times t plus 1. So, all over 5 times 1. So, let's simplify. Magiging ganito siya. So, 1 times 2t is 2t. Again, 1 times 2t is 2t. 1 times 2 is 2. So, then, copy yung operation natin na plus. And then, mumultiply natin yung 5 times t. Magiging 5t. Then, 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Then, all over, 5 times 1 is equal to 5. So, ito na yon. So, next nito is i-combine natin yung magkakaparehas. So, saan ba dito yung magkaparehas? Yung 2t saka 5t. So, parehas sila. So, 2t plus 5t is equal to, correct, 7 over t. Then, i-add din natin itong 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So, ang magiging sagot natin, 7t plus 7 all over 5. Okay, nakuha ba? Very good. So, another example for addition of function, given f of x is equal to 3x squared plus x, and g of x is equal to x minus 2. Let's find for the quantity of f plus g of 3. So, kung makikita nyo dito, meron ng value yung x natin. So, paano gagawin natin dito para makuha natin yung f plus g of positive 3? So, ganun pa din yung gagawin natin. Yung f plus g of 3 magiging f of 3 plus g of 3. So, una, wag muna nating isa-substitute yung value ng x natin na 3. So, kung isa-substitute muna natin yung value ng f of x saka yung g of x. So, ito nga. So, yung f of x mo is 3x plus x, and ang g of x mo is x minus 2. Then, combine. So, magiging 3x square plus 2x minus 2. So, paano naging 2x na naman yon? So, ibig sabihin, ito kasi, positive times x. So, positive times positive is positive. So, positive times x is positive x. Then, positive times negative 2, it's negative 2. So, x plus x, kaya nakuha natin yung 2x. Then, copy negative 2. So, yan na yung sagot natin. Pero, our x is equal to 3. So, kailangan nating i-substitute yung value ng x natin. So, magiging 3. Yung x natin, papalitan natin. So, yung x, ito, at saka ito. So, magiging ito, yung x natin magiging 3. Yan. Tsaka ito. So, using the PEMDAS rule, hindi muna tayo ang gagawin natin ito muna. So, 3 square. So, 3 square is equal to 3 times 3 is equal to 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Very good. So, 27 plus 2 times 3 is 6. So, 27 plus 6 minus 2. So, that is 27 plus 6 minus 2 is equal to 31. Okay, nakuha ba? Very good. Now, let's proceed to subtraction of function. So, let f and g be any two functions. The difference of f minus g is a function whose domain are the set of all real numbers common to the domain of f and g and defined as follows. So, f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Subtraction of function. Let's have an example. Let's find for f minus g of x. If f of x is equal to negative 4x minus 2 and g of x is equal to 6x minus 8. So we all know that the quantity of f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So, ganun din yung gagawin natin, parang ginawa natin sa addition of function. So, isa-substitute lang natin yung given function na negative 4x minus 2 para sa f of x and 6x minus 8 para sa g of x. So, magiging ganito siya. So, sabi ko, lagi i-group yung nasa last part. Kumbaga, yung g of x magiging the quantity of 6x minus 8. Kasi nga, isang function lang yan. So, bakit importanteng lagi natin siyang group pag sinasubstitute natin? Tingnan natin kung bakit. Kasi nga, ang magiging sagot dyan is negative 4x minus 2 minus 6x plus 8. Kung makikita nyo, bakit yung negative 8 natin, bigla na lang positive 8. So, anong nangyari? So, parang yung ginagawa natin kanina sa addition of function, okay, we use the distributive property over addition or subtraction. So, negative times 6x is equal to negative 6x. So, negative times negative 8 is equal to positive 8. So, pag nagmumultiply tayo ng like sign, magiging positive. So, positive times positive, positive. Negative times negative become positive. Pero pag positive to negative, negative siya. Or positive to negative, negative pa rin siya. Basta tatandaan, pag like sign, magiging positive. Pag unlike sign, magiging negative. Very good. So, ito nga. So, negative 4x minus 2 minus 6x plus 8. And then, very good, combine like terms. Saan dito yung magkakasama? So, ang magkakasama dito ay ang negative 4x at negative 6x. Kasi pareha silang may variable na x. So, negative 4x minus 6x is equal to negative 10x. Then, negative 2 plus 8 is equal to positive 6. So, that is our answer. Negative 10x plus 6. So, may correction po dito. Dapat ito ay 6. So, 6. Ayan. Thank you. Another example for subtraction of function. So given f of x is equal to 3x plus 5 and h of x is equal to x squared plus 10x minus 25. So let's find for f minus h of x. So f minus h of x is equal to f of x minus h of x. So ganun lang yung gagawin natin, class. Kokopyahin lang natin yung isa-substitute lang natin yung function dun sa given nila na 3x plus 5 for f of x and x squared plus 10x minus 25 para sa h of x. So, ito nga. So, kung makikita nyo, class, naka-group sila. So, i-distribute natin to. Distributive property over addition or subtraction. So, try natin. So, negative times x squared magiging negative x squared. So, negative times positive 10x magiging negative 10x kasi nga unlike sign. So, negative times negative 25 become positive 25. So, basta nga like sign magiging positive pag ang operation natin ay multiplication or division. Then, combine like terms. So, saan dito yung mga i-combine natin? So, i-combine natin yung 3x tsaka yung negative 10x. Bakit hindi kasama yung negative x square? May pareha silang may x. Kung titingnan nyo, class, yung exponent niya, yung sa 3x natin sa 10x, 1 kasi ang exponent nito pero hindi na natin nilalagay. Pero ang negative x squared, ang exponent niya ay 2. So, hindi siya kaparehas. Hindi porket lahat sila may x, magkakaparehas na. Kumbaga, yung negative x squared natin, naiiba. Kasi nga, meron pa siyang exponent. So, ang magiging sagot natin, kokopyahin lang natin yung negative x squared, tapos, i-combine natin yung positive 3x minus 10x. So, 3x minus 10x is equal to negative 7x. Then, 5, positive 5 plus 25 is equal to positive 30. So, ito yung final answer natin. Subtraction of functions. Given f of x is equal to 3x squared plus x and g of x is equal to x minus 2. Let's find for f minus g of negative 2. We all know that f minus g of negative 2 is f of negative 2 minus g of negative 2. So, f of x minus g of x is equal to 3x squared plus x minus the quantity of x minus 2. So, kung titignan nyo, class, hindi ko muna nilagay yung value ng x natin na negative 2. So, kailangan ko munang i-combine yung f of x natin sa g of x using subtraction. So, f of x minus g of x is equal to 3x squared plus x minus x plus 2. Sir, bakit po naging negative x plus 2 po yung the quantity of x minus 2 natin. Okay, we use the distributive property over subtraction. So, ganito yung ginawa ko. So, negative times x is equal to negative x. So, negative times positive 2 is negative times negative 2 become positive 2. Kaya po siya naging negative x plus 2. Then, combine like terms. Okay, ang magiging sagot natin dito ay 3x squared plus 2. Kasi, we combine x minus x. X plus x minus x is equal to 0. So, cancel na yon, magiging 3x squared plus 2. So, nakuha na natin yung function. So, isa-substitute na natin yung value ng x natin. Ano yung value ng x natin? It's negative 2. So, kukunin lang natin yung function na 3x squared plus 2. Then, isa-substitute yung value ng x natin. That is negative 2. So, magiging 3 times negative 2 squared plus 2. So, unahin natin yung negative 2 squared. So, that is negative 2 squared is 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So, negative times negative, positive, times positive, positive. So, 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. So, that is our answer. Multiplication of function. Let f and g be any two function. The product of fg is a function whose domain are the set of all real numbers common to the domain of f and g and defined as follow. The quantity of f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. Let's have an example in multiplication of function. Let's find fg of x, and our function is f of x is equal to negative 4x minus 2, and our g of x is equal to 6x minus 8. So fg of x is equal to f of x times g of x. So f times g of x is equal to, our f of x is negative 4x minus 2, and our g of x is 6x minus 8. Okay, so is equal to negative 24x squared plus 32x minus 12x plus 16. So, paano po nangyari ito? So, ang gagawin lang natin is we use the FOIL method. So, negative 4 times 6x, negative 4x times positive 6x is equal to negative 24x squared. Next, negative 4x times negative 8, that is positive 32x. Kasi negative to negative equals to positive. Kung ang operation na ginamit natin ay multiplication or division. Next, negative 2 times 6x is equal to negative 12x. And negative 2 times negative 8, that is positive 16. So, we use the FOIL method. So, combine like terms tayo. So, saan dito yung pagsasamahin natin? Ang pagsasamahin natin dito ay yung 32x and 12x. Ito po yun. So, 32x minus 12x is equal to 20x. So, dahil wala namang kasama yung negative 24x squared natin, kokopyahin lang po natin yon. So, negative 24x squared plus 32x minus 12x, that is 20x. Then, kokopyahin din natin yung 16 kasi wala siyang kasama. So, our answer is negative 24x squared plus 20x plus 16. Division of functions. Let f and g be any two functions. The quotient f over g is a function whose domain are the set of all real numbers common to the domain of f and g and defined as follows. f over g of x is equal to f of x over g of. Let's have an example of a division of function. Let's find for f over g of x. Our f of x is equal to x minus 2. And our g of x is equal to 3x minus 5. f over g of x is equal to x minus 2 all over 3x minus 5. Okay. Kung makikita nyo class, wala naman tayong pwedeng i-cancel or wala naman tayong pwedeng i-factor out. So, kung ganyan yung example natin o ganyan yung given, yan na yung magiging sagot natin. Another example in division of function. Let's find for f over g of x. f of x is equal to negative 4x minus 2. And our g of x is equal to 6x minus 8. Then, f over g of x is equal to negative 4x minus 2 all over 6x minus 6. So, kung makikita nyo dito, class, pwede siyang i-factor, meron tayong i-factor out. So, f over g of x is equal to 2 times the quantity of negative 2x minus 1 all over 2 times 3x minus 3. Kung makikita nyo class, parehas din po yan. Ni-factor out ko lang, nilabas ko lang yung common ng numerator at denominator para may cancel natin. So, makakancel yung 2 dun sa numerator at makakancel din yung 2 dun sa denominator. So, magiging sagot natin ay negative 2x minus 1 all over 3x minus 3. So, yun po yung sagot natin. Another example, division of function. Let's find over g of x. Our f of x is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4. And our g of x is equal to 4x plus 8. So, susulat natin siya. f over g of x is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4 all over 4x plus 8. So, kung pwede siyang cancel, kailangan natin i-factor. So, kailangan muna natin i-factor yung numerator natin. Siya magiging x plus 2 times x plus 2 all over yung 4x plus 8 natin. Pwede rin siyang 4 times the quantity of x plus 2. So, kung makikita nyo, meron tayong makakancel dyan na x plus 2. Cancel din natin yung nasa babang x plus 2. So, magiging sagot natin ay x plus 2 all over 4.